Hello children, welcome you all in today's class. In today's class, we'll be seeing page number 73 and 74 from your book. Okay, so look here. Who can have 1 liter? Do you like kheer? What do you call it at home? So we drink payasam, right? Yes. So such kind of sweet drink is called kheer. Okay, how much kheer can you have? Maybe 1 glass or 2 glass or 3 glass. Okay, so it may be nearly 250 ml or 500 ml. Okay, so can you drink 1 liter water at one time? Yes, of course, if you are very thirsty, you can even drink 1 liter of water at a time. Okay, but it is not possible always. Okay, so the girl is saying, I think I can drink 1 liter water. Okay, but the baby is saying, I can drink only 400 ml of water. Okay, so it is according to the capacity of each one of you. Okay, some of you can drink only 1 glass of water at a time. Some of you can drink even half liter of water at a time. Okay, so now look here, the donkey is trying to look for different ways to add up 1 liter. Help him complete the given chart. Okay, so can you see here, a blank is given here. Okay, and 200 ml is given added, and the blank is given with 200 added with 200 ml, and that gives you 1 liter. And this side 500 plus 500 is given. Okay, so 500 ml plus 500 ml will give you 1 liter. Now 1 liter is actually equal to 1000 milliliters, right? Yeah, so here 500 plus 500 will give you 1000. So if you add something to 200, you will get 1000. What is that? You have to add something to 200 so that you will get 1000 ml. Of course, it is 800. Okay, so 800 milliliter plus 200 milliliter will give you 1 liter. So this blank will have 800 ml. Okay, next coming to these 3 boxes. Okay, so here one is given as 100 ml. Okay, and you can write this as, I'll write this 200 ml for the first box. Okay, then what about the second box? 100 plus 200 is 300, right? Okay, let me write now 300 ml. Okay, so how much is remaining then? 100 plus 200, 300. 300 plus 300, 600. Now 400 is remaining for 1000. So the last box will have 400 ml. Is it clear? Okay. Here 250 ml is already given. Okay. So now look, 1000 minus 250 is how much? You have to borrow. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, then 9 minus 2 is 7, so 750 ml is remaining. So let me write in the first box 500 ml. Okay, and the second will have 250 ml. Okay, yes or no? Because 500 plus 250 is 750. Clear? Okay, coming to these 3 boxes. Okay, now let us start with 200. Okay, 100 ml plus 400 ml. How much is that? 200 plus 400 is 600. Okay, so how much more we need to get 1000? Again one more 400. Okay, so this box will have 400 again. Okay, so 200 plus 400 plus 400. Next, coming to this one, 2 boxes. Okay, so if I write 300 here, okay, then what will you get here? How much more you need to get 1000? It is 700. Okay, so 300 plus 700 will give you 1000. Is that clear? Okay, so this is how you have to add the milliliters to get 1 liter. Is that clear for all of you? Look at the next page number. Look around. Look at these pictures. Now look for some other things we get in packets or bottles like these. Make your own list. So they have given milk and 500 ml. Yeah, right, we used to get milk in packets and each packet will give you a quantity of half a liter, or that is equal to 500 ml. Okay, you can write oil. Okay, can you see this? This is oil, right? Sunflower oil, okay, refined oil, all those things we get from shop, right? So we nearly get 1 liter. Okay, and 1 liter is how much? It is 1000 ml. Next you can write shampoo. Okay, shampoo also you get in small packets, right? But shampoo is very less. It will be nearly 5 ml or 6 ml. If you see your shampoo sachet, it will be written as 5 ml or 6 ml in your shampoo sachet. Okay, next you can write coconut oil. Do you remember coconut oil you get in 250 ml or 200 ml of bottle? Even you can get half liter and 1 liter. Juice, sometimes we get in packet and sometimes we get in bottles. Okay, so it may be like 500 ml, or even you can get it for 200 ml or 250 ml or 1 liter, 2 liter, even you can get it for 2.5 liter or 3 liters also. Okay, so you can think of some more examples that you used to get in liters and you can write it. Okay, in today's class we will be seeing two problems based on adding up to 1 liter. Okay, so here you have C58 and C59. The first question, C58, is dash ml plus 100 ml will give you 1 liter. We all know 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml. Okay, so now you have to add something to 100 so that you will get 1 liter. Liter is 1000 ml. Okay, but in 1000 ml only 100 ml is given here. So how much is left out then? So what you have to add to 100 so that you will get 1000 ml? It is 900. Okay, so that dash will have 900 in it. Look at the next question. The question is 500 ml plus 200 ml plus dash will give you 1 liter. Okay, so here 500 plus 200 will give you 700 ml. Okay, so 700 ml plus something should give you 1 liter. Okay, so here 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml. Okay, so 700 ml plus dash will give you 1000 ml. See, after 700 you have 800, 900 and 1000. Okay, so 300s you are adding to get 1000 ml. So you have to add 300 ml. Is that clear? Okay, so try to understand this. So look here, H105, convert 50 liters to milliliters is given here. Okay, so we saw in yesterday's class that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, so here we will have 50 liters is equal to 50 into 1000. Okay, and that is 50,000 milliliters. Clear? Next question, convert 12 liters to milliliters. Same thing. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 12 liter is equal to 12 into 1000, that is 12,000 milliliters. Okay. Next is H107, convert 27 liters to milliliter. Again write 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Next you will have 27 liters is equal to 27 into 1000, and that is equal to 27,000 milliliters. Understood? question is convert 70 liters to milliliters. Okay, so again write 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So you will have 70 liters is equal to 70 into 1000, and that is 70,000 milliliters. Fine. Next question, 45 liters to milliliters. Again write 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Next, 45 liters is equal to 45 into 1000, and that is equal to 45,000 milliliters. That's all. We have discussed all the homework answers. Kindly check your answers with it. Thank you and have a nice day.